This part of the sentence is subject and this part of the sentence is predicate. Now the question is how you would understand that this part of the sentence is predicate, or in case for other sentences as well. Today we would be learning about the chapter of subject and predicate, and we'll see in a sentence how you will find out what is subject and how you do know that this part of the sentence is predicate. So let's start the class now. You already know that what is subject, or if you don't know, then again I'm saying, subject is someone, or it could be something, it could be machine also. So anyway, the point is that subject is someone who does the work. So who is doing the action, or who is doing the work actually, that is subject. Okay. And predicate now here, because after subject there are a lot of things. There are verbs, there are adverbs, there are adjectives, there are a lot of things, but you need to keep in mind that what subject is actually doing in the sentence. What subject does, that is actually predicate. Okay. So I'm saying again, what actually subject does, the work that the subject does is called predicate. Okay. So I'm showing you with an example, so you would understand better. Remember, you have to question about it. What subject does is the predicate. Let's understand what is subject and what is predicate with an example. So here the question is, or the sentence is, Kalyan travels the world. Okay. So I will make you understand to how to find out subject in three ways. Number one, always remember that subject is usually used or placed in the starting of a sentence. So here Kalyan is this word means Kalyan, or it's my name anyway. So this word has been placed in the beginning of the sentence. So this part is subject. This is number one. Okay. This is number one. Number two, ask the question. Ask question to the verb. Here this is subject, this is verb, this is object, this part. But now ask question directly to the verb with who, for person who, and for non-living thing what. So here Kalyan is a person, so ask question with who travels the world. So what answer you are getting? You are getting Kalyan. Okay, Kalyan travels the world. Who travels the world? Kalyan. So Kalyan is the subject. Okay. So number one I said, number two I said how to find out subject, and another way like Kalyan travels the world, and how do you find out here subject? Well, just simply remember, who does the work is actually subject. Who does the work is a subject. So Kalyan travels the world. In this sentence, who is doing the work? Kalyan. So Kalyan is subject. So I told you three ways. Number one, subject is usually used in the beginning of the sentence. Number two, always ask the question to the verb for the person thing, or for the person means for living being, ask question with who, and for non-living with what. So the answer you will get is subject. And another way, subject, you will find out that who does the work is actually subject. So here Kalyan is the subject. Now the point is predicate. To find out predicate is not that much difficult, but that much easy not as well. The easiest way to find out predicate, just ask the question to the subject, and the question you have to ask with is that what does the subject do, or what is the subject doing. So here Kalyan is a subject, so ask question with what is Kalyan doing, or what does Kalyan do. So what answer you are getting is predicate. Here what answer you are getting, what does Kalyan do, you are getting the answer as Kalyan travels the world. So travels the world is the predicate. Ask question with what does Kalyan do. So the answer is travels the world. Okay. So that is one way to find out predicate. In this sentence you found out it easily, but remember in other sentences there are a lot of things like adverb, adjectives, and a lot of more things. But remember, thus if you want to find out proper predicate, then you have to ask question to the verb, to the subject with what, like what does Kalyan do. The answer you got is called predicate. Hope you like this video, and if it really helped you, then please subscribe to my channel and also share it with your love and dear ones. Thank you very much.